Opa.
What the hell? Corin? Where's money?
Ain't no money. And this here. Looks like smack to me.
Smack? What do you mean, smack?
The same kind they sling in Ethiopia.
So now what we gonna do with it?
Let's shoot up.
You cracking jokes now.
All right. Give me a smoke. I got 2 questions. Who fed us over? And what the hell do we do with all this shit?
I got the same questions.
Same here.
All right. First of all, no panic. Second, I'm going to see that damn cop and figure out what the hell this crap is and why there's a ton of smack in the suitcase instead of cash.
That's a good thought. But you sure this is smack, not some coke or laundry powder?
That's another good thought. Kinda looks like heroin. I'm not really sure. No, it's definitely not laundry powder.
It's got that buzz.
Nah, it's not laundry powder.
All right. I got an idea.
Idea?
I'll head out, and you guys think about a backup plan.
Backup?
Backup.
Why the hell do we need a backup?
I feel like we've totally screwed over some wrong fellows today. If anything goes south, you're off to Ethiopia. What the hell do we do
I'm
with
sick of your
Bala?
damn Ethiopia talk.
Ethiopia is not mine. Now, sit tight and figure out where to stash this junk.
Figuring out where to put it is easy, but there's nowhere to put it. This ain't 20 grams. It's... By the way, how much do we have here?
There's a lot. Probably like 5 kilos
All right,
here.
I'm off, and you guys think about it. Think.
I'm throwing the suitcase in the oven.
All right.